We are Big Orange 3D, a senior design team here at the University of Tennessee. We are working with Sperra out of California, who designs 3D printed concrete anchors, and EPRI, a local agency who works with the Department of Energy here in the Southeast. Our senior design project is to design a concrete anchor meant to hold down floating photovoltaic power generation systems off the coast of California near Cojo Bay. We will utilize a 3D printed concrete shell and will fill the shell with a unique cast-in-place concrete mix design that will utilize recycled wind turbine blades in the place of typical reinforcement. The anchor is also intended to double as an artificial reef to foster marine life in the area, as well as eliminate the need to decommission the anchors once the project is finished.
Our team chose Cojo Bay, California as our site due to its site parameters, including soil conditions and remoteness. Cojo Bay is an undeveloped coastline just north of the Port of Los Angeles that includes a designated marine reserve. The site's abundant in year-round sunlight, dry climate, and marine conservation optimizes our project's environmental goals, including solar power generation and fostering marine life. Our team consists of geotechnical, environmental, and logistical specialists to address the complexity of our offshore site and to design a sustainable solution.
Our goal as a team is to reduce the total cost of clean energy infrastructure with an emphasis on floating photovoltaic islands. Creating a sustainable concrete mix, increasing land availability, and reducing labor costs are all essential in making solar energy more economical.
We're applying core design principles as we develop a 3D printed concrete anchor and test reclaimed cast-in-place mixes for next semester's full build. The project spans the full breadth of civil engineering with a structural analysis of the anchor, geotechnical considerations for seabed interaction, hydraulic and environmental impacts on water quality and marine life, and transportation logistics. Sustainability is central to our work, from using reclaimed materials, reducing carbon emissions, and designing a surface texture that promotes marine growth.
Our anchor design also factors in tourism, fishing, and other coastal communities. We do this by making a coral lid, which fosters marine growth. Also, our anchor is stable, secure, and eco-friendly, which allows for the floating voltaic platforms not to break off and crash into other structures and shores around it. 3D printing also allows for a more economical construction approach, reducing labor costs and material waste. Along with environmental factors, we are reducing the decommissioning costs and promoting coral growth and just more general overall marine growth, making it a good, suitable anchor for the ocean floor.